just stand for the world as an united nations, as like MasterYogi Shuvrojit standing in front of the United Nations at his childhood age and was looking something bigger than whatever we can think. And see, always do a movement like MasterYogi Shuvrojit. See the movement.
Learning 5 exercises, we did learn the answering nostril breathing, which is a breathing exercise. Yeah, breathing exercise. So now we're going to do 5 exercises which will help you lose weight and be stronger. And that's the whole thing. So we're going to be doing jumping jacks, squats, lunges, plank, and I don't know, this one is like a relaxing one. It's something like, I'll show you at the end. That's the last one though. So first we're going to be doing jumping jacks. I don't know where the heck that lamp came, but yeah. So you put one leg here and then one leg here. Left, right. Well, to you it looks like this to the right and this to the left, but that's the opposite on my side. So then you want to put your left one here and then your right one here. And then you do this, you jump and do, ready? And then you put this down on you, ready? Look, I'll do it. See what I'm doing? You put one leg here and one leg here when you jump, which is like this. And then you put one here. This would be like if you didn't have this part. But if you only had this part, it would be like, but you obviously want to do both, which is like this. Now we're going to move on to the next one. That almost fell. The next one, which is the squat. So you want to go like left, right, and then you squat down. Your muscles are supposed to go like this, your knees, and then it goes like this. There will be a lot of bone cracks on your knee. You hear it? You hear it?
Oh no.
See? But if you want to do it, the people that like don't do that much, which is this way. But the people who've done it a lot just goes like this, flexing without any hands because they're super good at it. I can do both. Okay, the fourth one, we're almost at the last one. So the plank. You're gonna want to put one foot here, one foot here, and then you're gonna bend down, crawl here, and then only use your tippy toes. Look, only your tippy toes. And then you just stay here for as long as you want. Okay, last one, which is the most relaxing one out of all of these. You're telling me that I'm like pretty lazy right now. So you wanna go like this, and then like this, and then you go like this. And then this relaxed exercise, you just stay here, look. I'll do one that's side to side. I'll just replicate my whole body. There you go. And then that's the end of this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more, and bye.